before?
Sir?
You have not started before?
Yes. You mean before?
You have not started before?
We have started.
Gentlemen of the press, can we be seated, please? Yeah, especially recognize our special guest of honor for today, the friend of the press, our own, who was here before and who has come back to celebrate with us, the Inspector General of Police. Especially refer to him as our own IGP Disu, PSC. Please put your hands together for him. The 23rd Inspector General of Police of Nigeria, Chairman of Council, Mgbeke, other former chairpersons of our watch, distinguished guests who have come to support. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. This is a very brief visit, but it is very significant. It is important that we have the #1 security officer. It is significant that as soon as he assumed position as IG of police, even when there is a little rancor, when he goes to visit, the situation changes. Can we put our hands together for him? I will invite our chairperson to say a few words. So, ladies and gentlemen, may I invite the chairperson to say a few words. Please put your hands together for the chair.
Greatest of the greatest of the
Am I speaking your mind? I also know that the IG is a man who moves things around. He makes things work. I wanted to tell you that our light is not working too much and we are making generator. I also wanted to tell you that a one-time commissioner of police promised us a big bus, 17-seater. But as IG should do a bigger bus, a coaster bus. 2 coaster buses. Can you do it? Are you sure? It is done. I know that the IG can do it. So, ladies and gentlemen, just because the IG described him as obedient, observant, and alert to the tremors of his order. In Lagos, they called him the man behind the rapid response corps, intelligence and still-health coordination. Then came the wider theater of security, the intelligence response team, where he worked required precision, secrecy, and investigative tenacity. In Port Harcourt, they describe him as a calming commander, navigating the terrain where politics, crime, and community required firm but measured authority. Later, when he came here as our own, he served again as Commissioner of Police. We describe him as a guardian of the federal city, where he worked with vigilance and matched the heartbeat of the Republic. From here, he rose to the rank of an AIG, observing investigations at the historic 4CID alliance in Alago.
The IG is the man of the people. And we have the #1 security officer who journalists in the FCT will do everything to support, to make sure that the issue of insecurity in Abuja is a thing of the past. And worldwide, not just in Abuja. We are glad that at the first Congress of the NUJ, the IGP, Inspector General of Police, is here to visit journalists. He's shown us that he is a friend of the press and by extension, a media person.
Journalists are not beggars. Journalists are professionals. Journalists are professionals. And I'm saying it with all my heart because I've worked with you. Nobody has come to beg me at any time for money or anything like that. It is symbiotic relationship between you and I. And it has taught me a lesson. Have genuine relationship with everybody you meet. Not because I am Commissioner of Police, I will need you, I will be nice to you. Be nice naturally to everybody you meet. And there is a lesson I'm telling all policemen. And I'm still going to continue with that lesson. And maybe it applies to everybody sitting here too. The question is, can you go back to where you have worked before? Can you go back to where you have worked before? As a policeman, you have been DPO in Ondo State. You have been DPO in Anambra. Can you go back to that place that you were DPO? Can you go back to that place you have worked before and you'll be welcome? I have worked amongst you and look at the way you welcome me. This is a lesson to all policemen. This is a lesson to everybody, for everybody to learn from. Can you go back to that place you have worked before?